Hello there, today we will learn to make a game like the game you are watching now on your screen. It's the first part of our tutorial. So, let's get started! Here, you can see we have a main.py file in 2 folder, ignore the third pygame folder. Let's run our game. Here you can see, it's a simple road crossing game made using pygame. We will later add the music in any other part, for now enjoy without sound. You can see the game closed as we collide with the car. In later parts we will add the sound, game over animation, game starting animation and much more. Have a look to the folders silently. Note, we will learn to create player and its animation with sprites in the next part.